As I think I understand your question, the answer is yes. When you say a debt located in another state, I interpret your question as meaning a judgment on a debt that has arisen from an order of a court in another state. If I'm in Colorado and you are in Texas and you secured your judgment from a Texas court, can I help you collect it anywhere? And the answer is yes. And in the United States, by virtue of the full faith and credit clause of the United States Constitution, the final orders and judgments of any state must be recognized and enforced fully by every other state in the country. And there's a mechanism for doing this. You used to do it by a particular form of lawsuit in each state you wanted to go into. Now all states have the Uniform Enforcement of Foreign Judgments Act, which is a very simple, quick procedure by which I can, in essence, take a judgment from one state and register it in another state very quickly and easily. And then we can, in that jurisdiction, proceed with collection using the tools that the sister state makes available. A federal judgment I can quickly and easily register in any other federal district. I can take a federal judgment and also domesticate or register it in a state court. I cannot take a state court judgment and register it in a federal court, however. So we can collect judgments, and in fact we do collect judgments throughout the country and abroad. What dictates where you want to go and how you want to proceed is the particular facts of your case and the particular activities of your debtor and the organization or asset structure the debtor has created to try and hide assets or where and how the debtor does business. And of course, in this age, most of the time, we often look at interstate collection efforts on a simultaneous basis, designed to exert the pressure necessary upon a debtor for them to realize they have a serious business problem, and the sooner they deal with it, the sooner they can have us out of their lives. Internationally, we can proceed to have judgments recognized in most foreign jurisdictions, or we can take judgments of other foreign countries and have them recognized here in general. There are some countries, though, that have such procedures and mechanisms in place or are subject to such levels of corruption that I would caution you on the front end not to do it. There are places where you can spend a couple of years and a lot of money to get to the point of having some foreign magistrate get ready to lower the gavel, recognizing your judgment in his or her country. And magically, as the gavel's descending through the air to the bench to give that resounding sound, as that's happening, someone in the courtroom with a laptop and a wireless mobile hotspot connection will push a button that, before the gavel hits, transfers the assets out of that foreign bank account through 2 or 3 other countries, like going through Hong Kong, through Dubai, through the Arab Emirates, through Hong Kong again, and may come to rest in a South American country that you then get to start your search and chase all over again. That's not too exciting. So when we have jurisdictions like that, we will tell you, don't even bother going there. But there are plenty of jurisdictions where that sort of thing is not tolerated and is not the case, and that we can operate in most effectively. I'm looking at a situation now that is a foreign judgment involving a foreign government, a judgment against an entity controlled by a foreign government. And I'm trying to figure out if I can have it recognized here to such a degree that I can go see some of its foreign airplanes when they're within this country. We'll see.